Everybody, my name is still Lincoln Old Dies, and resuming the footage just shut off. So yeah, I'll try that again. Like to be continued. Soon I'm gonna get a new phone. I think they stopped updating these phones. I have like an iPhone something. Maybe an iPhone 5, I don't know. It's 2018 right now. It's the first day in November. And my favorite part is go up this church. And as you go up the church, sorry, terrible footage right now. Go up the church and just fly down. Alright. I'm gonna fly down. Let's stop. Hopefully this comes. Pass. Alright. Flying down. It's not as fast as you think it would be, but it's pretty quick. Ooh. Alright. Hold on, there's some guy here. Past him. Yeah. That's the street. And we're safe from that guy. We're passing by. Don't know who that was, I was being cautious. It's not the mic. This is the bike brand. Alright. Continue on my trip. Almost there. This is the road. We have to turn right. Just leave a like, subscribe if you'd like this video. Please, this channel is really struggling. Maybe just started, but it's already coming to an end. Please. I'm not giving up until I get more subscribers. Well, I might give up. I'm already running out of things to talk about. Sick of my other videos. I would be not even an editor yet, so I guess you can count me as a beginner editor. And it's just past Halloween. Halloween is yesterday. I think I might be done doing Halloween. Yeah, I'm 14 years old. And about to turn 15 on June 18th. My real name is Daniel Joseph Frank. Yep. And I'm German. To see how I look. I don't have to give you a description at all. And yeah. Here's my house. I'm here. I'm home. Alright. Hope you guys have a great day. And, as always, see you later. Which one was off button again? Oh yeah.